Welcome to our channel, where timeless machines take the spotlight. Today we explore the 1970 Volkswagen Beetle, a car that defines simplicity, charm, and reliability. With its rounded design, rear-mounted engine, and unmistakable sound, the Beetle became a global favorite. It wasn't just transportation, it was a cultural icon that stood for freedom, individuality, and the joy of driving. In 1970, the Beetle saw subtle yet meaningful updates. It featured larger taillights, a new steering column, and improved safety features like headrests and a collapsible steering wheel. These refinements kept it fresh while preserving the classic shape that had become so beloved. Its compact size and playful design made it perfect for city streets and long road trips alike. Powering the 1970 Beetle was a 1600cc air-cooled flat-four engine, producing about 57 horsepower. While it wasn't built for speed, it offered exceptional fuel economy and unmatched reliability. The engine was easy to maintain, making it a favorite for both everyday drivers and enthusiasts. Its rear engine layout gave it unique handling and a driving character all its own. Inside, the cabin was modest, yet functional. With simple gauges, manual controls, and plenty of visibility, it offered everything needed for a comfortable ride. It wasn't about luxury. It was about creating a connection between the driver, the road, and the car. That connection is what made the Beetle so loved across generations. Thanks for joining us as we looked back at the 1970 Volkswagen Beetle. It's a reminder that great cars don't always need big engines or flashy features. Sometimes, all it takes is honest design and a bit of heart. If you enjoy classic car stories, make sure to like, subscribe, and stick around for more automotive legends.